What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review. Today we have the Infinix Note 60 Ultra. Well, before I start the video, one request: if you end up liking this video then please don't forget to click the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Opening the box reveals a layout divided into three compartments: left, center and right. Everything is arranged very neatly inside the package. Starting from the left side of the box, you first find the accessories. There are two USB-C charging cables followed by a round wireless charger. Next to it, you will find a protective case with a surprisingly premium feel, along with a screen protector already included in the package. The 100-watt fast charger is also placed here. In the center section sits the phone itself. Moving to the right side of the box, there is a uniquely designed stand that looks almost like a small car-inspired tabletop dock. This stand is used to hold the wireless charger. Underneath that, there is a designed card that holds the SIM ejector tool. Moving forward, the design of the Note 60 Ultra immediately stands out. Infinix Note 60 Ultra is designed by Pininfarina, the Italian design house known for shaping some of the most recognizable automotive designs. That influence becomes clear the moment you look at the back of the phone. Instead of placing a separate camera bump on the rear panel, the camera area blends into the back as one continuous sculpted structure. Inside this camera area sits an active matrix mini display. When it lights up, it can show notifications, charging status, timers, and small animations. Oh yeah, we can even play games on this mini display. Well, right below it, a slim LED strip inspired by automotive tail lights adds another visual detail. When the phone starts up or receives notifications, the strip glows softly, creating a subtle ignition-style effect. The display plays a major role in the daily experience. The Note 60 Ultra features a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 1.5K resolution and a 144Hz refresh rate. Scrolling through the interface feels fluid and animations remain smooth while switching between applications. Peak brightness reaches up to 4500 nits under HDR conditions, which helps maintain good visibility even under strong outdoor light. Colors appear balanced and the resolution keeps text and images sharp. The panel also supports 2304Hz PWM dimming and carries TUV low blue light certification. Combined with the high refresh rate, the display delivers a comfortable viewing experience during longer sessions of browsing, streaming, or gaming. Considering the price and the segment this phone belongs to, Infinix Note 60 Ultra stands out with one of the best display panels in its class. The camera system also brings some serious hardware. Infinix Note 60 Ultra features a 200-megapixel main sensor. It includes a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto with OIS plus an 8-megapixel ultra-wide. The front camera is 32-megapixel. In studio lighting, Eva's selfies look clean and refined with natural skin tone and balanced color temperature. Details in her sari and hair stay well defined without heavy beautification. In selfie portrait mode, separation is accurate with some smooth background blur and precise edge cutouts. For rear camera portrait photos, we used the 200-megapixel main sensor, which delivers a natural perspective and flattering subject rendering. Skin tone reproduction is true to life, especially on Eva's complexion under controlled studio lighting. Color grading remains balanced without artificial skin fairness or overprocessing. Exposure is well controlled, maintaining wide dynamic range without blowing highlights. Detail level is impressive, preserving fine textures in fabric, jewelry, and hair strands. Texture sharpness feels refined without looking artificial. Subject isolation is clean with smooth background separation that looks natural. Edge detection around hair and fabric edges remains precise. Color tone mapping feels accurate and consistent. Overall, even as a budget flagship, the Note 60 Ultra delivers portrait performance that feels properly flagship level. Okay, as usual, I will leave the 4K 60 frames per second segment to you. Check it carefully and let us know what you think about the video performance in the comments section. Performance is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Ultimate processor. Yeah, Infinix Note 60 Ultra runs on a 4nm architecture, which is not only energy efficient but also super powerful. It is paired with 12GB of LPDDR5X memory and 256GB of UFS 4.0 storage. For thermal control, the phone uses a 3D ice core cooling system that combines a vapor chamber and copper heat spreader. This helps maintain stable temperatures during heavier workloads. Call of Duty Mobile, NFS No Limits, and Real Racing 3 all ran at sustained frame rates with stable performance. Gameplay feels fluid during extended sessions, and the phone maintains steady frame rates without sudden drops. Touch response remains accurate, which helps maintain control during fast-paced gameplay. All those power comes from a large battery designed for long endurance. Inside sits a large 7000 mAh silicon carbon battery. Actually, my girlfriend Eva has managed to squeeze more than 2 days of battery life. Isn't it impressive? Okay, charging is equally impressive. The included 100-watt wired charger can bring the battery to around 50% in under 20 minutes. The phone also supports 50-watt wireless charging, which adds extra convenience when topping up the battery throughout the day without connecting a cable. Overall, the Infinix Note 60 Ultra delivers more than what the upper mid-range category usually offers. So what do you think about this Infinix Note 60 Ultra? Don't forget to share your thoughts and ideas in the comments section. Well, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.